How to make edible cookie dough recipe. This recipe doesn't use eggs, and the flour is heat treated to kill bacteria that could make you sick. You'll still need to refrigerate this edible cookie dough once it's finished. It has milk, which should be chilled. Ingredients: A. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. B. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. C. A quarter cup milk. D. 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. E. 1 cup packed dark brown sugar. F. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. G. Half a cup, 4 ounces, unsalted butter at room temperature. How to make edible cookie dough. 1. Heat flour. Add flour to a microwave-safe bowl and microwave on high for 30 seconds. Stir and cook again at 15-second intervals until it reads 160 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer. Allow to cool before using. 2. Cream butter and sugar. Using an electric mixer, beat the butter, salt, and sugar until light and creamy, about 3 minutes. 3. Add flour. Slowly add the flour to the sugar mixture, mixing until combined. 4. Add the vanilla extract and milk. 5. Make sure to scrape down the sides and bottom of bowl so the dough is smooth and evenly combined. 6. Add chocolate chips. Stir in the chocolate chips until evenly distributed. 7. Ready to eat. Enjoy! Storage tips. 1. To store. Store leftover edible cookie dough in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, as if it will last that long. 2. To freeze. Edible cookie dough can be frozen for up to 3 months in an airtight, freezer-safe container. Let thaw overnight before enjoying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.